Now we'll go to the S3 pricing model. Okay, ping in chat window, friends, if you have any doubts or something. Okay, fine. Now we'll go and see what is pricing model, friends. So pricing model, basically it will tell you what is the cost of each storage class. Okay, how AWS is going to charge us on S3 things. Okay, so let's see now. So S3 pricing model, friends, S3 pricing model, it's based on the how much data we have stored, based on the storage, how much data we have stored. Next, based on the request, how many people are accessing, maybe how many people are downloading the data, how many people are uploading the data. Okay, number of requests, how many people are accessing the data, all those things. Next, storage management pricing based on class which you are using. So we have talked about different classes. If you use the class, based on the class also, cost will depends. Next, data transfer pricing. So how much data we are uploading, how much data we are downloading. Okay, how many requests are different, how much data, let's say 1 TB of data you are uploading or 1 TB of data you are downloading. Based on the data which you are uploading and downloading, next you have a transfer acceleration. Transfer acceleration, basically when you are uploading data or when you are downloading data, if you want very quickly, if you want to do, you have to use the edge location. To use edge location to upload the files, like to transfer the files very quickly, you have to enable the something called transfer acceleration. If you enable the transfer acceleration, what it is going to do is, basically it will allow you to use the edge location. So we already talked about edge locations, right? Edge locations, what edge locations will do, first time when user requested for some data, let's say US user requested some data which is there in India, first user from US requested, then his request will come to India and he will access the data. So second user from US, when he requested it, his request no need to come to India. His request can get the data directly from the edge location which is available near to him, because already we cached this data, we already stored this data in US edge location when first user requested. So that's how you can make a fast acceleration. Okay, meaning fast upload or fast download. Latency you can decrease, friend. Oh, sorry, you can increase. So latency means, so the time which is taking to access the any file or anything. Okay, next we have a cross region replication. Based on the cross region replication also, your price will depends. Cross region replication is nothing but when you uploaded a file in storage A, same data you want to store it in a storage B. So that is called a cross region replication. So whatever data I am uploading in storage A, same data I want to upload into storage B. Why you are doing this? Just for safer side. If storage A you lost, you will have another copy. Even though S3 has the internal implication, that is the replication, but still if you want to cross region replication, then you can use the cross region replication option to have another copy in the another bucket. Okay, so based on all of this, your pricing will be decided, friends. If you come here, you can see. So if you go with the S3 standard, so for first 50 terabytes per month, you are going to pay $0.023. Okay, next if you go with this 450 terabytes per month, it will be a less cost. As your data size is increasing, the cost will decrease. See, size is increasing, cost is decreasing. Okay, so that's how you can able to see, friends. So that is based on the standard. If you see standard, if you compare with intelligent tiering, okay, S3 infrequent access, sorry, it's intelligent tiering. Intelligent tiering is basically it will use machine learning, as I explained, right? So it will use for first 50 terabytes per month, it is going to use same cost, whatever we are using here, same prices here. But if you come to standard infrequent access, okay, so this is basically 0.0125 per GB. Per GB, they are going to cost 0.0125 based on the per month. Per monthly, they are going to charge this much. So for all these things, you can see. Okay, so for first 50 terabytes, this much. For next 450 terabytes, after 450 terabytes, this cost will keep reducing as your data increases. But here, whether your data is increasing or decreasing doesn't matter. The constant value is $0.0125. They are going to charge per GB per month. Okay, so all remaining things also same, friends. Okay, so this is how you are going to have your pricing models. Okay, clear on all of these things, friends. Okay.